and today we'll be installing the HollowTech 2 crankset on my Salsa Mamasita. And the first step will be installing the Polylube 1000 from Park Tool onto the threads here that your bearings are going to be going on to. Just get just a little coat. And again, same thing for the other side as well. The next step will be installing these outboard bearings into the threads. And as you note, you do have a right as well as a left. So that way you'll know what side that you are installing on. And of course your right side is going to be your drive side. We'll begin with the left bearing, and it also shows which direction that you want to tighten it. So here we go. And just finger tight. And the next, of course, will be the right side. And as you can see, it is going to be tight in that direction, which is counterclockwise. Just low hand tight. We have the Park BBT9 tool that we'll be using to tighten the bearings onto the bicycle. So you just want to basically do a hand tight. Just like that. And we're going to do the left side now. I'm just going to insert the teeth onto the spline of the bearings and just get a good grip on it and tighten as well as possible. There you have it. This is the drive side of the Shimano HollowTech 2 crankset. First thing you want to make sure you do is lube the shaft here and also lube the spines as well. Spread it out. Let's get a nice little coat going. Just like that. And then I even install a little bit into the threads inside of this shaft as well, because you will be installing a tensioner to it. Ready so you want to take this and go through the hole of the bearings and just, you may need to tap it a little bit, it ain't gonna hurt nothing. And there you go, drive side's ready. And this is your left hand side, and as you can see we have two 5mm bolts on both sides of the crank arm. So what you want to do from here is just put it 180 degrees from the other crank arm. So it's just going to slide in. Like that. The next thing we'll be doing is installing this Shimano proprietary 8-star screw into the left-hand crank arm, and it's going to draw everything into each other. And then you have the BBT Park Tool, BBT9, excuse me. So basically this tool does two functions, and on this side is where you crank or tighten the screw. So you just want to insert it and just turn the wheel until it's hand tight. There are other tools that you can use that may be a little easier, but this is what I'm using. So this is my torque key that I'm going to use since I do not have a torque wrench this size that I need. So basically what you need with this piece is a 5mm hex head. So what you want to do is go here. And what I like to do is just give about one turn and spin. Just trying to be even on both sides. That way everything's going to get together correctly. And that's the feeling that you want to get whenever you're at that torque spec, is that little click right there. And of course you want to do your other side now. Alright. And there you have it, ready to go ride now. Again, I'd like to thank everybody for watching the video. I hope it helped you out. And I would also like to give a big thanks to Part Tool for making awesome tools. Salsa bikes, and of course Shimano for the Shimano cranks. Alright everybody, thank you for watching and have a great day.